Hello everybody, I'm gonna be honest with you. My place is a bit of a mess, and one of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube are the clean with me videos. I never make them and I need the motivation to clean and get organized, so I thought today I would take you with me and maybe leave you with some inspiration too on getting organized and having the environment reflect the mental state I want. Let me show you a bit of what my place looks like right now. This is very real. It is midweek and I do pick up and clean up every single day, but with a toddler and a dog and working from home, this is what my place honestly looks like right now. I moved in very quickly and I definitely just placed things quickly, and I need to streamline and organize things so it makes sense and it's easy to clean up. I'm definitely a little bit overwhelmed right now, but I believe in us. We can do it. Before we hop in, I do want to introduce us to my sidekick who's gonna help us clean today. Hold on. This guy right here, this is my Ecovacs Dbot X1 Omni. It is the coolest all-in-one vacuum mop robot. It cleans itself. It is literally the coolest thing. So I'm going to set him up to vacuum first, and then I'm gonna have him go through and mop everything. My Dbot will be cleaning as I clean because I need all the help I can get. Ecovacs is sponsoring today's video. I am so stoked to be working with them. I have been using my Dbot now for a few weeks. I've showed it on my Instagram. Ecovacs brings tomorrow's technology to life with the Dbot X1 Omni. It's equipped with the world-class features that intelligently and automatically vacuums and mops, empties debris, and washes, dries, and refills the mop for weeks of hassle-free cleaning. And look how cool this is. Hold on. Okay, Eco.
I'm here.
Start cleaning.
Okay, start cleaning.
It has made my life so much easier. If you want to check out for yourself, I will have it linked down below. You can get it at ecovacs.com, you can get it at Amazon, and bestbuy.com. Let's get my Dbot in action and do a time lapse of me getting my life in order. Let's go.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes.
Brand new street and brand new me. Side by side, by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town, I already know. Couple days ago. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. Saw you now. Dreams might turn into something real. Don't you give me that look, take a bow, already know. Now you gotta go. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been laying here
morning. I might look like this, but my place looks like this. I am very proud of the 2 days I've spent doing this. Did I get everything done that I wanted to? No, I didn't organize the nursery. I didn't organize the entryway. I didn't organize the kitchen drawers, but little steps. If you are overwhelmed by a big project, just do as much as you can do each day while still taking care of yourself and everything else, and be proud of what you do accomplish. I will eventually get back to organizing and cleaning the rest of this. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye! Oh, excuse you! Excuse you! Excuse you! Oh. Oh wait, I got you.